Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics, then act fast. Check free storage, aim for 500 MB or more, because downloads fail when space is low. Next, verify your network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and toggle airplane mode for a quick reset. Once done, restart your device to clear transient faults, and note the Android build plus the Play Store version so you know what you're troubleshooting. This saves time when deeper fixes are needed. You now dig into app-level fixes. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Google Play Store and clear cache, then clear storage. This removes corrupt temp data. Then do the same for Google Play Services. If an update introduced a bug, use uninstall updates to roll back and reinstall updates later. Once done, remove your Google account from Accounts, reboot, and re-add it. This resets authentication tokens. Test the update between steps to isolate the exact cause so you know what worked. You finish with advanced checks. Confirm system date and time are correct, disable VPNs or proxies, and verify parental controls or enterprise device policies are not blocking updates. If problems persist, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. This cleans deep system corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode and try updating. If it succeeds, a third-party app is the culprit, so uninstall recent apps until the issue disappears. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.